Spider-Toa hasn't always been this glam. I was a drab little crab once. Now I know I can be happy as a clam, because I'm beautiful, baby.
Did your granny say, listen to your heart before you are on the inside?
I need 3 words to tear her argument apart. You can't lie. I'd rather be shiny, not a blemish on the surface, not a speck. Double check, is everything shiny? I would sparkle like a wealthy woman's neck. Just a sec, don't you know? But you dum-dum-dum, they chase anything that shimmers. Beginners, oh, and here they come, to the brighter from the glimmer. Fish dinners, I just love free food, and you look like seafood.
Hey, crab cake!
Well, is him always having trouble with his look? Your little semi-demi mini-god. Ouch, what a terrible performance. Get the hook, get it? You don't sing it like you used to, man. Yes, I have to give you credit for my star and your tattoos on the outside. For just like you, I've made myself a work of art. I'll never hide, I can't, I'm too shiny. Watch me dazzle like a diamond in the rough. Strut my stuff is so shiny. Send your armies, but they'll never be enough. My show's too tough, more women. You can try, but you can't expect a demigod to bring the deck apart. Look it up. You will die. Now it's time for me to take apart your aching heart. Far from the ones who abandoned you, chasing the love of these humans who made you feel wanted. You tried to be tough, but your armor's just not hard enough. And now it's time to kick your hiney. Ever seen someone so shiny? So get in, cause it's the last you'll ever see. C'est la vie, mon ami, I'm so shiny. Now I eat you, so prepare your final plea. Just for me. You'll never be quite as shiny. You wish you were nice and shiny.